Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube devlog. This is my devlog for a game in the style of an 80s adventure game. Right now it's being made in JavaScript. To get things working, my Twine code needed a lot of work. The compiler needs everything to be perfect, so every corner of the code needed to be cleaned. Row breaks and spaces gave me some trouble, but overall it was easy work but very time consuming. To help me visualize the game and where it's going, I made myself a media wiki and created a page for the game. This will help me document the game and where everything goes. Twine.js is a great tool, but it can be hard to find things when you're not used to it. With the media wiki, I can show my friends and family and they get a better sense of where things belong. More on this in an upcoming episode. The game is very close to a working version. Not a complete game, but a Twine to game engine version. So a new retrospective episode is in the works to celebrate this. That's it for this time, but if you can't wait and want to see more, I have a playlist with the rest of the devlogs available on my channel. If you just want a small talk, you can find me over at Mastodon or leave a comment here. So thanks for watching and have a great day.